Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Viviana, a graphic designer based in the UK, and in today's video I want to talk about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the world of graphic design. Imagine creating a whole brand identity only using AI. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to be amazed because in today's video I'm going to show you how to do just that. So if you are a graphic designer, beware, artificial intelligence could come for your job next. We'll be covering today brainstorming, logo design, color palette, and brand assets like social media templates and packaging. Let's dive right in. Let's head over to ChatGPT. Go on the website and press on Try ChatGPT. Now let's say, can you please generate new brand ideas for me? I am a graphic designer looking for new fictional projects. Let's see. So if you're not aware about ChatGPT, it basically translates everything that you want but in text. So you are not able to generate pictures in here, but you can generate code. So if you are a coder, then this is perfect. You can even create a whole game just using ChatGPT. But for a graphic designer, I think it can help you build like descriptions for social media posts and for websites. If you hate copywriting, this is a great tool for you. But in terms of brand identity, I just want to do the brainstorming. I just want to create ideas and start a fictional brand from it and see where it goes, because it can create a kind of trendy concepts and branding, which I'm curious to see how it's gonna work. And for now it's just giving me a few examples. It might take a while, so I'll just speed up the process for you. So we have the brand name Glow and Go, the tagline Radiant Skin, Healthy You, and then we also have a description of the brand that is a natural and organic beauty and skincare brand that emphasizes the importance of taking care of your skin as a reflection of your overall well-being. I really like this message, it's really smart. Our target audience for Glow and Go is for women and men who value natural and organic products and who are looking for effective skincare solutions that are gentle on the skin. Let's go on with the logo design. The second step is for the logo creation. I'm gonna start using Canva first, and then I'm gonna use another tool which is more for websites. But for now, let's go on to Canva, and they have this really cool option to go Canva Pro for 30 days, and it's free to try. I'm just gonna go for the normal one for now, and let's see. If you go to Design Spotlight, it has this logo maker, and start designing a custom logo. You can search for logo templates. So we have skincare, right? Let's see if it has anything with skincare. It has these ones, like for example this one is really nice. It's a pro, but you can just do it in 30 days. You have plenty of time to create a whole brand identity in 30 days. It's not going to be something extremely complex as a graphic designer would do. But if you don't have money, if you're on a budget, then this is really quick and good enough in the beginning. Obviously, with time, you want to invest in your branding and in your company, but that can come with time. So I really like the way this looks like. Skin and energy. So we just need to change the name, which is Glow. Actually, I'm just gonna type in and go here, and this one will be Glow. If you drag this over, you should make it on the same line, and now you center it, and maybe I can make it a little bit smaller. I feel like it's too big. And I even like the little icon on top, which is just like a sparkle, let's say. skincare cosmetics. So if we go head over to ChatGPT, it already gave us a tagline, which is Radiant Skin, Healthy You. Let's type in Radiant Skin, comma, Healthy You. And we're gonna make it longer to be on the same row. I'm just gonna move it in the center. There you are. And now I can change the color. So so far I really like how this turned out. I think it looks really modern. Moving on to the color, I'm gonna click on the and go, and I'm just gonna change the color of that. When I'm thinking about Radiant Skin, Healthy You, I'm actually thinking about orange or yellow. Let's try the yellow. I think it's not visible enough, so I'm gonna go for the orange, and it looks great. Now when you're ready with the logo, you can export it here, press share, download, and you have a lot of file types or formats like JPEG, PNG, and even more like SVG, MP4, GIF, whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna press on PNG and download it. You can even download it with a transparent background, whatever you like. For my logo, I love the background. I want to keep it like that. Now, if you want to create a logo and a website at the same time, I suggest using Wix Logo Maker. And that's because it's going to generate website based on your logo. So if you go to Wix Logo Maker and press on Get My Logo, you can create it here based on some questions. Enter the name, so for us it's Glow and Go. The tagline, which is Radiant Skin, Healthy You. Let's go. Skincare product. It's gonna ask you the business or industry for your company, and then some characteristics. Ours gonna be fun, modern, and fresh. And then it's gonna ask you to choose some logo designs that you like, and they're gonna design something similar. Okay, we chose around 5 logo designs that were recommended, and now it's going to generate some logo design ideas also with a website, and I think that's really great if you think that that's all you need. This is what it generated. I think they're actually really good. For example, this one is pretty unique. I absolutely love it. I think it looks great, and even this one is interesting. But let's go with this one. So this is how your website would look like here on the right. It's actually getting into detail, and it's telling you exactly what you need. You need a PNG or SVG for the profile picture, and you can even customize the logo. You can put the colors that you want, and you can play with the color palettes that you have in here. I like the default one. I think it looks great. I'm just gonna go back, and I'm gonna press on next, and you can get a matching website with your logo. You can get a landing page, basic website, so that's a bit more information, and also an online store. I think that's really cool. And let's say we want the landing page and the logo, and then it's gonna show you the price at the end. You can use a plan, you can just buy the logo, and it's not pretty expensive if you think about it. I do love what it came up with, but for this video I'm gonna go with the Canva one, just because we don't need a website, so that's fine. So moving on to color palettes, if you're not happy with what Canva or Wix came with, you can always go to another artificial intelligence software, and I recommend Colors. I'm not sure how you need to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna say Colors. and then you have a generator in here. You press start the generator, and then by pressing spacebar, it's gonna generate really cool color palettes. You can always go back and copy the code, and you can also lock a color if you like it, and then press space again, and it's gonna generate different colors that would match with your locked color. So I find this tool really great. I use it pretty often. And another tool that I found is called Color Mind. In here again is mostly used for websites, so it does generate color palettes for you, but if you want to see exactly how your website look like with the color palette that you choose, then it's gonna show you in detail presentation of your website. Okay, so we're gonna generate color palettes here, and let's say I love this one. I think it's a great option. Again, you can lock your colors and then press again on generate. It's gonna generate everything you want. They even have a logo maker on this website. I haven't tried it, but I think the Canva and Wix are enough for now. So this is the color palette that we chose, and then if you press the website colors, it will show you exactly how a landing page could look like, and it even gets into details about your specific colors, and it even gives names, and that's really helpful. Also, it shows exactly how to use each color and even what photos you should add, and the UI components, and that's really nice. You can have the buttons and exactly how to mix all the colors. I absolutely love this tool for websites. I think it's great, so give it a try if you like it. If you're interested in building websites, you're not sure how your colors would look like, I think this is amazing. Now let's move on to brand assets. When it comes to brand assets, there is a little bit of complication in terms of artificial intelligence, and that is because it is pretty limited for now in packaging design. I have managed to come up with few ideas for you, but generally artificial intelligence is not there yet. So I'm pretty sure in maybe a few months or few years, it will generate really cool packaging designs or options for people that are not graphic designers. But for now, this is what I found. So if you go to Canva and press on templates, you can clearly see there's so many different templates in here. For example, you have business, you have everything from like whiteboard, website, planner, calendar, business proposal. You also have social media like Instagram posts, stories and reels, Facebook, TikTok, and even YouTube thumbnails. You have video, marketing, so if you need anything like a poster, menu, newsletter. For our skincare brand Glow & Go, I would say we need social media for now, so let's design an Instagram post. And let's see what templates they have, anything related to us, anything that I think looks pretty cool. And when I look at Radiant Skin, I want something modern and fun. There's so many presets in here that you can spend honestly hours and hours to look for something that you like, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something. Let's say I love this one because I think it's really modern. You can customize it in here. It says take care of yourself. You can always change the text. I'm gonna say Radiant Skin Healthy You, and I'm gonna resize it. And you can see all these graphics in here. You can change them, you can change all colors. So if we want, let's say, something more orangey, like the color that we chose, you can add your brand colors in here as well. It's gonna make this orange color that we have exactly in the logo. We can change another color, let's say I don't want that color, I want something pink or even purple, whatever you want to change, you can in here. Let's see, in elements, I want to add something like really related to us, and I'm gonna type in here a mirror. I want to see a mirror because we are a skincare brand. It's everything about being beautiful and taking care of yourself. And okay, I love this mirror. You can just drag it in here, make it smaller, add it wherever you want, and then obviously you can edit the image. But in this particular case, you cannot change the color. So to some graphics you cannot change the color, but there are others where you can. But I think these graphics in here are enough. I think they are very beautiful. And if you want to add your logo, you could always add it in here. Let's say I love this template. I'm gonna delete everything that there is in here, but I want to add the logo. So in uploads, you can upload all your files. I'm just gonna copy paste this here, and yeah, this is how you can create a post. You can change color. Let's say we wanted that orange, that nice orange, and there you have it. Now, the only tool that I found for packaging design that I like is called Packwire. They have 4 different boxes that you can customize. Let's go for this one. We want to send our skincare product in a very nice box, and you can add artwork like this one, and then you can customize it however you like here on this side, and always change the colors of the box and everything you want. You can change all the color of the boxes, you can see, or copy paste your brand colors. And then when you're done, you can press on checkout. I do find it quite expensive, but if you don't have any other choice, if you don't want to look for a professional and you want to do everything yourself, then this is a great option. I couldn't find anything else yet. If you do know anything better, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about everything new with artificial intelligence. And yeah, there you have it. Okay, I have finished designing all this brand using only artificial intelligence. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll also link all the softwares that I used today in the description down below. And thanks again for watching, and see you soon.